Good morning, guys. Today we are at Holly Beach and we're headed out towards the south side of those little islands. We've been seeing pretty big trout on these last couple trips, but of course we'll be making our little stops here and there right before we get there. Trying to take advantage of this mirror-like water. So we'll see you in a bit. Oh yeah, big dog. Oh yeah. Fucking don't be a skipjack. Oh, it's a big one. Please don't be a skipjack. Oh, come on. Netty, net. I don't think you're a skipjack. What are you? Ooh, nice trout. Oh, oh yeah. Jesus Christ. Oh, sucker. Alright. Alright. Big honking trout. Alright, guys. Let's see. What do you think? Big one? Oh yeah, definitely a big one. Alright, so right now we're fishing this little channel that's west of the island, and we'll see if we get some reds running in through here, maybe a flounder or a trout. Oh yeah, big dog. Oh my god, I got a tarpon! No flipping way! Oh man. Big doggy. Phew, that was exciting. Spit the hook out. Alright, so we're in this south flat area of the island. Normally on this little flat side you'll see some reds and big trout tailing out, so this is going to be our target area to work. We already got a good sized trout on the stringer. Let's try to get some reds, maybe another couple of trout.